Okay, we have taken damage. Let's look at the health regen. It's smooth. Okay, hey guys, I think I got the health bar. Oh. Wait. Jump. Okay, then wait for it to go back up. Oh, I got it. So these are the files you need. Alright, I'm gonna drop the 2 files in. Cred, Skull, and ChatGPT. The link to the tutorial will be added in this text channel too. Be sure to join the Discord server, link is in the description below. If you are unsure on how to install this, you can ask questions in the Discord server and I will be there to help you. First, this is the JavaScript file. Second, this is the CSS file. Go to PC7, go to Settings, go to Client, click this Open User Scripts. It will show this, open, and then drop that script file into here. Next, search CSS, open, and then open that sample CSS file. Then restart PC7. Testing it out in PC7, we have the health bar in the center. Let's try to take some damage. Okay, we have taken damage. Let's look at the health regen. It's smooth, so we know that works. Now, in order to add the CSS into your own custom CSS, open your own custom CSS, go to the sample CSS, copy this entire thing, and then paste it into your own CSS. This will place the health bar in the center. Alright, so I've loaded my custom CSS with the sample CSS code into my custom CSS in PC7, and let's see how this turns out. As you can see, the animated health bar is in game right now. Let's try to take some damage. Right, okay, we have taken some damage. So wait for the health regen. As you can see, it's smooth. If you want to change the position of your health bar, you can do so here using bottom, left, and also translate to center it. After making these changes, make sure to make the same changes in the script file. So just change them here. Then press Ctrl S on your keyboard, Ctrl S and Ctrl S just to save the file and save the changes. Then you can open PC7 client again and look at the changes. Some notable things are the background color of the health bar. I've set it to a translucent black color or a translucent grey color. You can change it to whatever you want. And then also change it right here. Just copy this and then paste it right here. Another thing is the transition time. Transition with 0.3 seconds. If you want the transition to be slower, you can change it to something like 0.5 or 0.7 seconds. If you want it to be a little faster, a little quicker, change it to 0.1 seconds or even faster. Now let me explain the code. So first, we get the UI base. We create two elements, the background and the fill. Then we enter the class health values. These are the max values for, or the max health values for different classes. Then we get the current health value from this bottom left health div. And then we get the current health from these data entries. Then we get the current health divided by the max health times 100% to get the health percentage. This will be the health fill style width, or the width of the health bar. This updates the health bar's width based on the percentage of health, based on the max health and the current health. Then 0.1 seconds is how fast the data is taken from Krunker to update the health bar. I've set it to 0.1 milliseconds such that the animation is really smooth. For the CSS, we have to remove the original health bar, then remove the new health bar from the menu screen so that it only appears in the game screen. It still appears in like the end game screen. I'm not sure how to change that right now. I may do it in the future. We style the health fill and the health bar, which is the health bar's grey background. In order to change the position of the health bar, this div here, and not the health fill. The health fill is appended to the health bar, and then the health bar is appended to the UI base. Alright, that's it for this video, but I'll be using this new health bar animated CSS, or like animated health bar CSSs in all of my videos that I record from now on. However, there will still be around 30 videos or 40 videos that I've scheduled all the way until January of 2026 that I've been using all the old CSSs and weapons, as those have been recorded previously and scheduled to be uploaded in the future. Alright, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, just ask them in the comments below or join the Discord. The link to my Discord server is in the description below. Just join the Discord and you can ask questions there. If you're unsure on how to install this, you can ask questions in the Discord server and I will be there to help you. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.